out if you close your eyes.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create custom worlds. Either any world that you want to create with any block layers that you want, or just an empty space map, basically called the void. So I'm going to be showing you how to create that. So it's going to be a really simple and easy tutorial. We're just going to use some basic commands. Alright, so once you're ready, you're going to need a craft bucket server, of course, and you're going to also need the plugin called Multiverse Core. So go ahead and download that. That'll be in the description. Drop that jar inside of your plugins folder, and also download, of course, the plugin called CleanroomGenerator. So I'm going to download that now. Hit keep and just drag this .jar inside of your plugins folder. Once you have it in there, go ahead and start up your server. Alright, so after your server started up, go ahead and head on to your Minecraft server. And by the end of this tutorial, you guys should learn some new Multiverse Core commands and how to create a world with any blocks that you want. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a basic world, just a normal world that anyone can play on with trees and all that stuff in it. So just type the command /mvcreate, give this world whatever name that you want. I'm just going to call it random because I don't know what else to call it right now. And then just type normal. We're typing normal because we're not going to make it the end or the nether kind of world. It's going to be a normal world. So once you have that, just hit enter, and it's going to create that normal world for you. It might take a little while because it's going to be generating all the biomes and all the trees and stuff. So once it says complete, you can just teleport to that world just by typing the command /mvtp. That'll teleport you to whatever world, and then the name of the world. So type the name of the world and hit enter. So it should bring you to that world. This is the new world that we created, just a normal world with trees and stuff. And I'll be showing you guys how to delete all the worlds that we create in this tutorial later if you want. So now we're going to get a little bit more advanced. We're going to move up a level, and we're going to create a world just made out of one layer called Bedrock. So this is usually the last layer that you find in a normal world, and it's just that one last layer made out of Bedrock. So just type the command /mvcreate, type the name of the world that you want to call it. I'm just going to call this world Bedrock. Type normal because this is going to be a normal world, not the end or nether. And now this is something that you will always type when you generate a custom world. So you're going to have to remember this. It's -G space CleanroomGenerator colon. So make sure the C and G are capitalized, that matters, and make sure you have a colon at the end. That last part is something that you'll always have to remember to generate a custom world. So now that we have that, the colon stands for the last layer to be Bedrock. So we don't have anything after that, so it's just going to create that one layer. Alright, so once you're ready, just hit enter, and it's going to create that new world called Bedrock, or whatever you named it. So to teleport that world, same command as last time, /mvtp, and then the name of the world. So it should teleport you to this world you probably are not used to seeing, just one layer of Bedrock, nothing else. Alright, so now we're going to get even more advanced. We're going to create a world made out of the layers that we want. So it could be like 10 layers of stone, 5 layers of dirt, and then 1 layer of grass, whatever you want to create. So just type the command /mvcreate, give this world a name. So I'm just going to call this custom 1. You can name it whatever you want. And now normal, because we want this to be a normal world, not the end, not nether. Now the part that you need to remember, you should remember it by now, maybe not, to be honest. But it's -G CleanroomGenerator colon. So once you have that, that's the basic format. Now we can add any other layers above Bedrock that we want. So we're going to start from the bottom. Right now it has that one layer of Bedrock at the bottom, layer 0. So we're going to move from the bottom to the top. And above Bedrock, let's say we want to add 10 layers, and make sure to always put a comma after the amount. So let's say 10 layers, and then you type the block name. So stone, I want 10 layers of stone above that layer of Bedrock. So we're not done yet. We don't just want 1 layer of Bedrock and then 10 layers of stone. We want to add some more to that. Make sure to put a comma, and then I'm going to add 30 layers, comma, of dirt. The first layer, layer 0 Bedrock, layers 1 through 10 stone, and then after the 10 layers of stone there should be 30 layers of dirt. So now after that, we're going to add one more thing. We're going to add 1 layer of grass. So after everything there should be commas. So after the amount and after the block name there should be commas. So now automatically we always will have 1 layer of Bedrock at the bottom. Then what we added, 10 layers of stone. After that, 30 layers of dirt, and after that, 1 layer of grass. So you can keep on going if you want, add some more stuff, but I'm just going to stick with this. Once you're done, hit enter. So now our one world custom has been created. /mvtp, type the name of that world and teleport to it. Alright, so it looks like it worked because at the top we have that one layer of grass, and underneath we have all the dirt. So I'm just going to click through this real quick to show you that after 30 layers of dirt, it goes to them 10 layers of stone. So we should hit Bedrock, and yep, there it is. Alright, so that's what we wanted. We wanted that 10 layers of stone, and then the 30 of dirt, and then that one of grass. So that is how you add a custom world. Now the last part of this tutorial, it's going to be really easy. I'm going to show you how to create an empty space map, basically just the void. So just type the command /mvcreate, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it empty, and now type normal. Now the part that you should remember, hopefully by now, -G CleanroomGenerator : Now to make it an empty void space map, it's really easy. All you have to add is a period. So just that one period and hit enter. So it's creating that world. Just teleport to it by typing /mvtp, the name of the world, hit enter. Now it's going to ask you, are you sure? Because right now there's no blocks on it, and when we teleport to it, we're just going to fall. But we are sure. We're just going to type the command /mvconfirm. Now you might be in survival mode automatically, but just make sure you double tap the space bar and fly up. So now we have this empty space map, pretty cool. And that is how you create any world that you want, custom world, void map, whatever you want. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to smack that like button and subscribe if you're not a part of the universe yet. Peace out, guys.
Cause it's all a mindset, it's what you gotta get. It's 100 times you gotta stay positive. This is doing now, this is living life. If you coming with me, baby, we're doing it right. I said we're doing it right. Everybody will be doing it right.